TS4. Right now we have a multi-plug here. This one has 6 outlets for the wall, plus some USB ports there. I have 2 USB A, 1 USB C. You could also see the voltage on it there. 4 volts, 4 volts, 5 volts, 5 volts, 5 volts. The ones right here on the side have 2 amps, 2.4 amps. This one have 3 amps, this one have 2.4 amps. So they did say it have built-in surge protection, non-blocking design, so you could put things in different order there. Built-in night light, and create extra space by having more plugs basically in the same socket there. Let me see here. So the design isn't that bad on this one here. So we have 2 on top here, 2 in front, 2 below, and well, this on this side here. So this just plugging into the plug socket. I believe it will have some kind of screw or something there to help it stabilize inside there and be down there. I did have an area where I needed one of these, so that's why I decided to pick up one. I have my printer and vacuum plug-in what I charge in one area, and sometimes I always need to unplug one of them to plug in a cord sometimes. So with this I can have both of them plug in and have extra things done, because sometimes when I unplug the printer, sometimes I need to put back in passwords and stuff, like sometimes it does malfunction. So that will be good there. So basically they're telling you back everything here what we just read out, and it has some more specs there. You could always pause and get into detail there. Right, and this side seems like Spanish. So let's see if we could get it open here, because I didn't work with anything to open it. Also look like the brand here, Pro HT. Let's see, so this side, maybe this side we can rip it open and see if we could get it in there. Don't know why I didn't bring anything to open it up. So hopefully we get in without any problems here, because the plastic is sandwiched. The easy way, cut. This is the easiest way out. So this one is truly an unboxing here, or unpacking, because we don't really have much box here. Ooh, finally it's in our hands here. And I see it does have a sensor right there, it look like. Is that the power 1, 2, 3 on and off, auto? I don't know what those things mean there. So I don't know if it maybe does light up behind there or something. But I am seeing like the sensor there to put the night light on. Once right there, it wouldn't come on. I did see it have a little box down below. You see what I have in that. There's a little manual there on it to show how to do everything. Showing you the specs on it. Showing you where everything is. Everything working. So you see light sensor there. So it does have one. Yeah, so that's it. This is it in our hands there. It does have a little size compared to the wall, because when it goes to the wall it will be bumped off a little bit. I have to make sure now all the sockets and maybe the little surge protecting thing it have inside. Don't know how good that will be. Yeah, well that's it. TS4 out.